Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Mills and I'm back with another video. So in this video I'm going to be talking about MEI. It is an acronym which means individual micro entrepreneur. When you apply for this, you're going to get a taxpayer ID number which is called CNPJ. The main reason for this document is for people who want to open up small businesses. So if you want to open a small business, then you can apply for this MEI document. When it comes to taxes in Brazil as a whole, the taxes are very high, especially income tax. Also having businesses, the taxes are very high. You can open up your business as an individual, and to open up a business, you can apply for this, which is like a taxpayer ID. This actually allows you to establish a company and also to create a Brazilian tax ID number. Right, so I'm going to start first. The requirements for this: you should not have a gross revenue which is more than 81,000 reals a year. 2, you cannot be a partner and administrator of another business. You cannot have more than one employee. Also, the type of business which you're doing must be listed in the table of the MEI businesses. Craftsmen, hairdressers, tailor, electricians, photographers, painters, carpenters, plumbers, and other professions to formalize an individual micro entrepreneur, alright, to obtain this tax ID number and also pension coverages. You can also do business with government entities. You can be able to issue local tax invoices and also request for bank loans. When it comes to taxes, this is where the advantage of this comes in place. You don't need to pay taxes to different tax authorities. So you don't pay any income tax, but you pay a small monthly amount, which is 5% of the minimum salary. So if you have just one employee, that's going to be a minimum salary. You just pay 5% of the person's salary, which is normally not much. ISS, which is just 5 real, and ICMS, which is just 1 real for goods and manufacturing businesses. So in total, as of 2022, you'll be paying an amount of 65 real monthly. You don't need to pay any income tax of maybe 40%, 30%, 20% of your income. No. How do you apply for this? Very easy and straightforward. There is no fees charged to apply for this, and if you're a foreigner, then you must be a resident. First thing, you check on the My table the businesses that allows this taxpayer ID. The next thing is you just go to the website. I'm going to leave it in the description section. You open up the website and you click on MEI registration. Now when you click on registration, it's going to appear. You fill in your information, fill in every necessary step. After you fill it, it is going to generate your CNPJ or your taxpayer ID number. You have to also make sure that you state the business which you're supposed to do, and it is only that business which you're supposed to carry out. This also acts as a tax ID number where it's showing that you're actually paying tax for your business. Alright, this is very good for people who want to open up small businesses and you don't want to pay a lot of income tax. That is actually the advantage. If you find this video interesting, make sure you leave a thumbs up, you share, and you leave a comment. And if this is your first time, make sure you subscribe so that you get more updates from me each time I upload in that same live.